You have to connect the solar panel to here. And
Okay.
Then this is the equipment. But at the moment, I've just connected. This is our water pumps. So these water pumps are connected to this in order for the sprinklers to work.
Okay.
So
I'm going to move. I hope my camera guy and director Arthur Siambole will follow us.
Okay.
There's a combination here.
Yes.
What's this tank? What's this representing?
So this is representing maybe if, let's say for those farmers that use wells, a water source per se. So this is representing a water source. It can be a stream, a well, or whatever the farmer uses to irrigate their crops.
Excellent.
Yes.
These two?
These are pumps. So these are pumps, and then they are connected. So these are basically connected to the truck.
To our truck.
Yes, and then in the truck, the actual truck is going to have a water reserve. In case the water source is far from the filter, so the water reserve is going to work.
So you pump water into the water reserve?
Not
that necessarily.
Is if you want. Yes, that is if you want. But initially,
you disconnect from the main source, but you will have already pumped into the water reserve. I think I fancy that idea.
Yeah.
In fact, don't just make it a water reserve. Make it permanent. Make it bigger, 10,000 liters.
Yes.
So that instead of using it there, we can pump in advance, then make use of it. Yes. When it runs out of water, we go back to the source, pump again, isn't it?
But your water reserve is supposed to accommodate you when you reach at a further side where the pipes cannot reach. So let's say this is moving at from 36 to 100 meters. Then maybe the pipes where they are cannot reach there. Then the water reserve does the work.
Me, I just want to completely do away with the cables.
Oh, okay.
Just pump in there, make it bigger. It's going to have its own pathway.
Yes.
The field should be on the sides.
Yes.
Okay.
And it could go as far as 100 meters. And the width of these sprinklers can go as far as 36 meters. The good part of this equipment is that it helps a farmer not to have too much water or less water in their fields. Because let's take for instance, one part of the field is overwatered. There is no need of the farmer to still have this side if the pathway is here. So you can still just remove this side of the sprinklers and just remain with the side where you only want to water. And the good thing of this equipment is that it promotes sustainable development. Like sustainable development goal number 2, which promotes zero hunger. This will promote food security in the country, and it will increase productivity. Then sustainable development goal number 7, which is affordable and clean energy, because it uses solar, which is a renewable energy. It's environmentally friendly and promotes that sustainable development goal, as well as climate action. Sustainable development goal number 13, which promotes food availability, as well as in disrupted rainfall patterns. Like for instance, Zambia in the past 2023-2024 rainy season, we experienced so much drought, disrupted rainfall, and most farmers lost about 50% of their production. But if they have this equipment, it's going to help them have enough food to sell and also for them to consume.
Great. Settle down for a bit. What you propose to those that would buy into this idea, is it to manufacture a car of its own, a truck of its own, or it is to convert? I'm still going back to my earlier question. Okay. Because what I'm seeing here is you can turn a tractor already made and moving, except you add the component of the tank which acts as a reservoir for water. Yeah. And then you can improvise these on an already made tractor, and then off you go. No. What's the plan?
The plan that can work, but the difference with this and the other trucks is that this one does not use petrol or fuel.
It's solar.
It's solar, yes.
I get.
And then the other one uses petrol, and we're trying to promote as much as possible using something that is very environmentally friendly and cost effective. Like when we did a research concerning our product to different farmers, most of them said they could not afford to buy center pivots, drip irrigation, because they were quite expensive for them. But they said if something is using solar, it's quite affordable, because it's, even if Zambia experiences there is too much sunlight here, and we have enough lighting for solar to work effectively. So that's why we came up with something that uses solar and does not use petrol or anything. And
in this
something
case,
that is mobile.
to actualize it, you need funding to make it from scratch.
Yes.
What's been the response so far?
The response so far, we've managed to pitch to different conferences and as well as ZBAN. Yeah, and the response, many people are interested in it, and we're still sourcing for funds. There has been few investors that have not really come on board per se, but who've shown great interest in our product and who seem like they are willing to help us make a full finished mobile irrigation system. But at the moment, we haven't received any funding from anyone, but we have potential people who seem that they might invest in our product, and that is one thing that we really want as a group, as Solid Links Innovation. We are looking for funders who can come in on board and work with us. Our company is registered under PACRA. We have all the papers intact.
And this is patented?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and the good thing is we so far have made 2 prototypes. There is this one and the other one in the copper belt, and the 2 prototypes have costed us about 25,000. So making a full finished equipment like this one, it would cost us about 32,000 kwacha. Yeah, 32,000 kwacha. And once we make that prototype, we just need some people to come on board. If we're able to make at least 10 within the course of the year, 10 full finished mobile irrigation systems, that is going to help each and every Zambian to benefit, because they'll have productivity throughout the year.
Now we want to see how this machine will be able to work. Whether it's moving or it's not moving, we want to see the actual demonstration. Please, madam, okay. Demonstration. So you are going to press somewhere.
Yes, so these are pumps. Yeah, and then so the pumps, we start pumping water, and the water, as you can see, started moving.
It has reached the sprinklers.
Yes, it has reached the sprinklers. And the good thing is, it's just that this side, water is, because maybe water is not enough, that's why it's taking long to reach this side.
Otherwise, yes. These sprinklers should start.
Yes, and they all work. And
madam, what's that recommends you now? So that we fill up the water resource there, because I've noticed that this side has water.
And
okay.
Also,
oh, okay, yeah, there.
Holding again, so it's also causing a delay in
water reaching the other side.
Yeah.
I'm going to be a technician also. Let's see if we can make it straight.
Okay.
So that you means your figure. We want to see, okay,
yes. We tested it, yes.
We want all of them.
We want all of them to work.
Yeah, see here we are going,
yeah.
And we are almost there also. Go on.
Okay.
Let's see you do that.
So this is a very good equipment for Zambians and even the people at large, like worldwide, because this is going to promote food security in all the homes. As you can see, it's movable, it's mobile, compared to center pivots which are static. This is mobile. To be doing this in your field without you actually doing anything, because in terms of duration, you set the duration at how much you want it to go. So this is actually also makes a farmer not to do much work. Yes, because you just need to set the duration at how far you want it to move, the speed and the duration. Once you do that, then the truck will be moving on its own, because it's a self-driven truck. So there is no need of the farmer being actually in the truck to move the truck.
The truck will be moving on its own?
Yes, it's self-driven. No.
But how will it know that my path is here and not to go in the field to step on the maize?
Because it moves in a linear pathway. So we've set it in such a way that it will move linearly forward and backwards without a farmer actually going to do anything.
So actually,
yes,
not even a person is supposed to sit in this car to drive it.
No.
It's automatic.
It's automatic.
On
yes.
its own.
Yes.
No remote control to control it?
No.
Okay. I didn't get that part. Now I've got it.
You've got it.
So it's going to work on its own. It's not like a big truck for a person to sit in. No.
Maybe a person could it in, but we want it to be self-driven to reduce labor from the farmers. Like a farmer can still do other things instead. You just observe it.
Excellent.
Yes, we are trying to make it as much as possible agriculture smart irrigation. Yes. So self-driven, and it uses solar, which is a renewable energy.
Excellent.
Yes.